Hey y'all, welcome to a day in my life, weekend edition. So I got up on this day, went to go brush my teeth while scrolling through some messages, playing some Candy Crush, and then I took a nice shower. I'm actually using pastry products at the moment, and guys, as much as I hate the fact that this shower gel doesn't lather up, it's actually really nice. Once you're done taking a shower, your skin feels so soft, so smooth. So I'm gonna definitely continue using it. Once that was done, I went to have some breakfast. I was having this chia seed pudding, which I made with a salted caramel yogurt and some blueberries. Then I sat down to eat and do a bit of journaling, make my monthly budget, just prepare for the month and also just get some thoughts out. I've always been big on journaling and I don't think I'll ever stop because it really does help, especially when my mental health gets a bit shaky. So I got myself a nice cute little diary. I'll probably show you in one of my other videos. And yeah, it's getting me through this period of my life that I'm in. Quick ad break, you guys. Please check out my new channel. It's called Recaps with Kwetsi, where I do movie and TV recaps. First video will be up on Valentine's Day. I will put the link in the description box. Thank you guys. Once that was done, I had to offload the dishwasher so that I could put in the dishwasher cleaner and clean the dishwasher. Having a dishwasher is fun in the sense that you don't have to physically wash dishes, but it's still a lot of work because you need to unload and offload the dishes, and that's not a fun process. It's quite a gross process, actually, but it definitely does make life easier. Once that was done, I got to cooking. I do the cooking like Friday to Sunday for my whole family, so I usually keep it simple Friday, Saturday, and then on Sundays I'll go all out. But on this day, I was pretty lazy. But at least I got the job done. On this day, I was making a pretty basic meal, just a little stew, some rice and veggies, nothing major. When I'm not in the mood to cook, my go-to is a stew. So I think I've got a few videos on this channel where I'm actually cooking a stew. So yeah. once I was done, I got to taking a shower and doing my evening skincare. If you see me laughing and talking in this clip, is because there were these little kids who are my neighbors who were at the house, and they were like rushing me to get out of the bathroom. But anyway, I will actually film a skincare routine for you guys to show you all the new products I'm using, the serums, the sunscreens, all that jazz. There's actually so many changes that have been in my skincare routine since the last time I filmed the skincare routine. So I'll do a daytime one and I'll also do an evening one. Just so you guys know why I'm using the products and like my goals for my skincare in 2026. And I also forgot to show you guys my new nails. Maybe I'll do it in another video. Hopefully they'll still look good by then. But anyway, thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my new channel. I love you and bye.